Alright, I just made a video of how to replace the motor from this stock C3 into the J37 because they have different ohm readings, pretty much different voltage that goes through. So you want the stock C3 motor to be on this one so you can fully open up that throttle plate. Alright, what we're going to do is basically set this one up just like the J35. We have our drill bit, we have our tap, and we have our little transmission cooler fitting line. I'm going to be using a 7/16 drill bit. Just picked up this beautiful cobalt set. This is like my third or fourth one. Just had to refreshen them up. This one hasn't even been used yet. Still virgin. We're gonna use her up tonight, and we're gonna go ahead and drill that out. Remove the sensor, drill that out, tap it out. We're gonna put some Teflon tape on this fitting, put it in there, call it a day. So let's remove this fitting from here, or the sensor, and this one will be a Phillips to remove. Then wiggle that sucker out. We no longer need this air meter sensor or vacuum sensor. This is probably the map sensor, not sure. We don't need that. We have a vacuum line. There it is, vacuum line. So let's go ahead and drill this down all the way to that little groove that you see there. That little groove right there. Alright, and there it is, drilled out to size. Now we're going to go ahead and tap it out. This is the 1/2 inch fine 20mm. And just do this nice and slowly so you don't cross thread. And just drive this back and forth so you get that nice good fine thread. And drive it out. And there we have it, nice and threaded. Let's go ahead and give our little coolant fitting a try. Woo! Like it's for it. So we'll put some of this freaking vinyl tape, Teflon tape, and we'll go ahead and put that down, secure it down, and we are set with this J37. Alright, there it is, and we'll go ahead and put this into place. Teflon, sweet. Alright, and I'm using a crescent wrench to secure that down. And there it is, perfect. There it is, you can see it there. Nice to create a vacuum. I'm gonna get a eraser and I'm gonna just slice this through so it's nice and clean cut. Alright, and there we have it. I also bought these little caps, universal fitting rubber vacuum caps, so we cap these ends and we are set. Alright, and there we have it, J37 ready to throw into the engine. Well, still got to do some minor things, but just getting everything prepped. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.